Hi and welcome to this introduction video. Today we have published a full package of the beam column joint analysis in Abaqus. It contains all types of the beam column like reinforced concrete or a steel beam with weld connection, bolt connection, anything. So click on title, then you will have the introduction of the beam column joint. We have some types like beam column joints of in the concrete RC concrete or steel types. So here you can see here the definition and the function of the beam column joints, force transfer, structural integrity, ductility, energy dissipation, and then the type, exterior joint, interior joint, corner joint, or T-joint. And then the failure model, which is happen in the typical concrete beam column or RC or steel beam column joint you can see here. We have some more definitions here you can see, read about them, and these are some figures of the models in the package. For instance, we have here steel with weld connection, then the concrete with bolt connection, the composite column, and then here you will have the reinforcement for the steel column, steel column filled with concrete, bolts, anything. See, you will have all types of the model here. You can see. And then here, if you provide this package, you will learn all types of beam column joints in Abaqus. And the package contains 23 separate tutorials, 23 separate tutorials, including all files, video, code, material, and Abaqus files. And you can see here the title of each tutorial. Here you can find also each tutorial separately in the website if you need just one model, but this package contains 23 models. During these 23 models, you will learn everything about the beam column joints in Abaqus. See, these are the titles of the model or tutorials of the package. The price of this package with 23 model is 79 euros. You can use Tether, Bitcoin, PayPal, Visa, or MasterCard for the payment. If you want to provide this package, contact me at this email, then I will tell you about the content of the package, more information, payment method, or anything that you need to know. Thank you for your attention.